Hyundai India has launched the new generation i20 in the country. Prices for the petrol variant start at 6,80,000 rupees and go all the way up to 11,18,000 rupees. Whereas for the diesel model, prices start from 8,20,000 rupees before topping out at 10,60,000 rupees. All prices are ex-showroom India. The all-new Hyundai i20 is based on the new K platform and is longer, wider and gets a longer wheelbase over its predecessor. The car is being offered with 2 petrol and 1 diesel engine options, along with 4 transmission choices on offer. The Hyundai i20 is available in 4 variants: Magna, Sports, Asta and Asta option. Compared to the older version, the car has seen a complete overhaul with its new design language, better cabin space, premium materials and a host of new features added to the mix. The new i20 competes against a host of premium hatchbacks, including the likes of the Maruti Suzuki Baleno, Honda Jazz, Tata Altroz and the Toyota Glanza. Mahindra & Mahindra has announced that the company has received over 20,000 bookings for the new generation Thar SUV. The automaker has achieved the milestone within a month of the off-roader's launch, and Mahindra says that the demand for the hardtop manual and automatic trims in both petrol and diesel engines have surpassed all expectations. The unprecedented demand has also seen the waiting period stretch by 5 to 7 months, depending on the variant. In a bid to meet the demand though, Mahindra has said that it will be ramping up production from 2,000 units per month to 3,000 units per month by January 2020. Ducati has officially revealed the 2021 Multistrada V4, the latest addition to the Multistrada family, which sits on top of the 1260 and the 950 in the Italian brand's adventure touring lineup. The 2021 Ducati Multistrada V4 will be offered in 3 variants: the base V4, V4S and the range-topping V4S Sport. Ducati's flagship adventure tourer also gets a new monocoque chassis and double-sided swing arm. Power comes from the 1158cc liquid-cooled V4 Gran Turismo engine derived from the Panigale V4. The engine uses valve springs instead of Ducati's traditional desmodromic valve system and develops 168 bhp and 125 Nm of peak torque. The engine also comes with 60,000 km valve service intervals. The base Multistrada V4 gets fully adjustable USD front forks and adjustable monoshock from Marzocchi, while the V4S and the V4S Sport get semi-active Ducati Skyhook suspension system with auto-leveling function. There are a host of electronic aids as well. The new Ducati Multistrada V4 will make its way to India sometime in 2021.
If you liked that video, then please do remember to subscribe to the Car and Bike YouTube channel.